Xiaomi has officially unveiled its most extreme compact flagship yet, the Xiaomi 15. The Xiaomi 15 combines cutting-edge specs with a small, premium design. Xiaomi 15 comes in 4 standard colors: lilac purple, light grass green, black, and white. It also offers a bright silver edition, and there's a custom edition with 20 colors. The Xiaomi 15 retains a compact 6.36-inch flat OLED screen, upgraded with ultra-narrow, symmetrical bezels of just 1.38 mm, with 120 Hz LTPO variable refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. The device is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. It has a 45% boost in single-core and multi-core performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. With 16GB plus 512GB version, the Xiaomi 15 operates on HyperOS 2.0 based on Android, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The device is sporting a triple rear camera system, including a 50-megapixel main light fusion 900 sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Xiaomi 15 is powered by a 5400 mAh battery, supporting 90W wired and 50W wireless fast charging. It also introduces 30W magnetic wireless charging. Xiaomi 15 pricing starts at 4,499 yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.